2025.
Thank you so much. Well, of course, I'm very surprised and humbled by this distinction. You never expect anything like this. Well, I think the main point is that we have good people who do good things. Of course, it means that they have to be thought out in advance. We have been thinking, how we can succeed, and our people are very good at executing those plans. Well, in a listed company, shareholders elect the board every year, and in Kitron's case, shareholders elect the chairman and the other board members every year. Well, it's very difficult to give any general or generic advice. It's just to be curious. Curiosity is a very good starting point. And then to be a little bit more, let's say, long term in this curiosity than just jumping from one thing to another thing, really trying to learn something from anything. Actually, it doesn't matter what you learn. You know, all of us have learned a lot of things that we have forgotten later on. But the point is that you have this process of understanding how to learn and the practice of learning new things. Because the world today is very, very fast moving. Fast moving world requires people who can learn and adapt fast. So being able to learn that skill set, how to learn and adapt is a crucial factor.